Ever wondered how to elevate your style game with the right accessories? It's not just about the clothes you wear, it's about how you accentuate them with watches, sunglasses, hats, and more. These little details can transform your look, infusing it with personality and style. They can take a simple outfit and make it stand out, turning heads wherever you go. It's the subtle art of accessorizing that distinguishes the stylish from the ordinary. So, let's dive in and learn how to accessorize like a pro. The first accessory on our list is the watch, a timeless style statement. Watches blend functionality with fashion, adding a touch of sophistication to any ensemble. Consider a sleek dress watch for your formal occasions, or a rugged sports watch for your adventurous outings. Pairing your timepiece with your attire is an art. A crisp suit with a classic dress watch or casual jeans with a bold sports watch can make quite the difference. Remember, the right watch can elevate a simple outfit to a whole new level. Next up, sunglasses, the ultimate cool factor. They're not just about shielding your eyes from the sun, but also about expressing individuality. Think aviators for that timeless, rugged appeal, or wayfarers for a touch of retro charm. Choosing sunglasses isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's about complementing your face shape and personal style. A well-chosen pair can add a layer of cool and mystery to any outfit, elevating it from ordinary to extraordinary. So, don't forget to put on your sunglasses before stepping out in the sun. Lastly, let's talk about hats, the finishing touch to any outfit. From the classic fedora to the casual baseball cap, each hat carries its own charm and statement. A fedora can bring a touch of old-school elegance to a sharp suit, while a baseball cap can add a relaxed vibe to your weekend attire. Remember, a hat is more than just a head cover. It's an expression of your personal style and sophistication. And with that, you're all set to accessorize like a pro. Now that we've covered the basics, let's tackle the art of mixing and matching accessories. The key to a sophisticated look lies not merely in the individual pieces you choose, but in how well they harmonize with each other and your outfit. Picture a symphony. Each instrument plays its part, creating a beautiful, cohesive piece of music. Your accessories should function in a similar fashion, harmonizing with your overall look. The watch you wear, the hat on your head, the sunglasses you choose, they all need to sing in harmony with your ensemble. Balance is essential. A bold statement watch might call for understated sunglasses, or a casual hat could be the perfect counterpoint to a pair of luxury cufflinks. And remember, coordination doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly, but rather they should complement and enhance each other. Remember, accessorizing is an art, so don't be afraid to experiment and express your personal style.